Brian's tips. This is the first one.
So we're going to talk about body filler, or Bondo. Bondo is a brand, but it is body filler is what you're working with. Bondo is kind of like Coke. They're like basically the definition of it. Sometimes you're going to come across armor pieces, helmets, things that need have bigger defects than what red putty can fill. So Bondo body filler is what you're going to want to use. There's also a product called Evercoat, which is more of a flexible type Bondo. Bondo is body filler is basically what is used to fix dents in cars. So it's pretty durable, but it can crack and flake. But the bottom of this helmet here has got some structural issues. It's a little beat up. So I'm gonna mix some Bondo up, and we're just gonna like put a nice layer around here, let it dry, and then sand. So how you use Bondo. It is a thick, pasty substance. Generally, you can mix it on cardboard. It works really, really well. The working time is not very long. So once you mix it, you don't have a lot of time to use it. So it's good to mix it in small amounts. So it comes with a hardener, a cream hardener, which is like a red mix. The measurement, you got to really kind of use the instructions, but it's usually, you know, there's a certain like calculation to it. I end up putting too much in usually, which doesn't hurt it, and you've got to stir it up till it's got a consistent color.
Does it dry faster because we're in the sun?
It's more the mix.
Got it.
Right? So you gotta mix it to get the consistent color, but depending on how much hardener you put in it, the harder or faster it's gonna dry.
Okay.
So a lot of times you can use like a piece of cardboard as like a scraper, or what. So it's a stinky product. It smells like the red putty, but I think I got enough hardener in it. I kind of feel like I want to add more, so I'm going to add just a little bit more.
But for the rest of everyone else, use the
Just use the
instructions. The proper.
I'd rather err on the side of having too much in it, but my working time is going to be cut considerably.
What happens if you don't mix it?
I don't think it'll harden all the way. I've never had that problem. I've always put too much in.
And it hardens fast.
Yeah. So there we go. I got a nice glove on, and I didn't bring like a spatula, so I'm literally just going to do this with it. Now, you really kind of want to make sure you get it just where you want it, because, you know, when this hardens, it's very hard, and you have to sand it. So, but if you put too much extra on it, you're just making a lot more work for yourself. Oh yeah, see, it's hardening already. I made it too hard. I mixed too much hardener in it. It's too late. I lost it.
Should I pause? Should I pause?
Yeah, I fucked up. I need a new glove.
Yep.
Okay, so should have kept with my same mix because I ended up putting too much hardener in, and I didn't finish. So the lessons that I gave you, I did not abide by. So I'm just gonna make a little more.
If you had to guess what the ratio was.
It's really weird. I want to say the instructions are like a pea-sized amount for a little tiny, you know, or a little scoop of it. So I don't know.
That's the instructions.
I'm trying to find. I don't know. You got
Pea-sized amount.
I'll read you the instructions.
Okay.
After I do this.
We'll read the instructions after we do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh,
This
it's
sun-
smelly.
This sun might be making it go fast too.
That's what I was thinking, 'cause it's pretty hot out here today, so. But it is nice that we're kind of in a ventilated area because it's a very strong odor.
Oh yeah. If I was inside, I'd have a mask and everything on, but
Technically, we probably both should have a mask on
We're
right now, but
outside.
we are outside, sweating in 90-degree heat.
it's not even that hot. It's just the sun is hot. So this will add some nice strength to this part and also give me a nice surface to sand down and make it look pretty. So you see as it starts to harden, it gets like really thick, chunky pasty in your hand. So this will dry really quick in like an hour, half hour to an hour. We can sand this and shape it. But that is Bondo body filler. Sand it, paint it, it's like it never happened.